Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Visual Studio Code acting up, or did you tweak a setting and now your entire layout is broken? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix it by resetting Visual Studio Code back to its factory defaults, or just safely clearing your settings without losing your downloaded extensions. Let's get right to it. First, let's look at the Nuclear option, a complete factory reset. This will wipe everything, including your history, global storage, and workspace settings, making it look exactly like it did the very first time you installed it. Make sure you completely close out of Visual Studio Code before we start. Press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time to open your Run dialog box. Type the %, the word app data, all one word, another %, a backslash, the word code, another backslash, and the word user. Hit enter. This opens your main configuration folder. To completely factory reset your app, select every single folder and file in this window and delete them all. If you also want to wipe out all your extensions and start totally fresh, open that run box one more time. Type the %, the word user profile, all one word, another %, a backslash, VS Code with a period right in front of it, another backslash, and extensions. Hit enter and delete every single folder inside that directory. When you open VS Code again, you'll be greeted with a fresh Get Started screen. This file holds every single custom tweak you've ever made. To soft reset your settings back to default, simply highlight all the configuration text inside this file, delete it so you have empty curly brackets, and hit Ctrl+S to save. Alternatively, you can just navigate to where that settings.json file is located on your hard drive using the app data path we used earlier and completely delete the file. VS Code will automatically generate a fresh, clean one the next time you open the program. And that's it. Your editor is completely refreshed and ready for coding. If this troubleshooting guide helped you fix your setup today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what custom setting broke your editor in the first place, and I will catch you in the next one.